Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Vocabulary with Pictures, and today in this video I will be sharing different types of mushrooms name. Amanita, beech mushrooms, black truffles, black trumpet mushrooms, brown cap boletus, button mushrooms, champignon mushrooms, chanterelle mushrooms, cremini mushrooms, enokitake mushrooms, green amanita, hedgehog mushrooms, hen of the woods mushrooms, honey agaric, king trumpet mushrooms, Lactarius indigo, medicinal mushrooms, milky mushrooms, morel mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, porcini mushrooms, Russula, shiitake mushrooms, Toadstool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe now.